Hello students, today we are going to learn about chapter 12, class 6, topic tense. Now first we are talking about the simple present tense. As you know that there are three types of tense, present tense, past tense, future tense, and there has four types of these. Now let's first start with the simple present tense. So here is a simple present tense. The present tense has four forms. So we are talking about the present tense and it has four forms. Like that, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and the present perfect continuous tense. So let's first see the simple present tense. Talking about simple present tense. So student, here is simple present tense. Now simple present tense, we use the simple present tense to talk about action we see as long terms or permanent. It is very common and very important tense, and then we can use the simple present tense in affirmative, negative and interrogative forms. So look at the sentences structure in affirmative, negative and interrogative form. Let's first see the formation of affirmative and the structure of affirmative sentence. So what is its structure? Let's see. Here is a rule. Affirmative sentence rule is subject, first form of verb, s plus es plus is and the last object. Now here is a structure of the affirmative sentence. So here is example. I play football every weekend. So I subject talking about first form of verb. Here is a I play. Remember one thing, when in sentence I and you, not use this rule s, es, is, not use with I and you. So here is not use I, s, es. So here is a free because here is I, free from this rule. I play football every weekend. Got it? So let's see the next. Here is a not to use ses and here is object. So here is a object. I play. Here is object. Got it? Now let's see the next example. He learned his lesson daily. So here is a sentence. He learns. So here is a singular subject. Here is a subject. Subject and is a verb. First form of verb adding with s and then object. So got it? He learns his lesson daily. So let's see the next structure of the sentence, negative form and this rule. So here is a simple present tense in negative form. Here is structure of negative sentence. So here is a rule, subject plus do, does plus not plus first form of verb plus object. So student, always remember, do use with plural form and does with singular form. Okay? Got it? Now here is the example. I do not play football every weekend. Here is a she does not tell a lie. So see the next rule in interrogative form. Simple present tense in interrogative form. So here is a formation of interrogative sentence. Simple present tense interrogative sentence. Here is a rule. Do does plus subject plus first form of verb plus object plus question mark. It is a asking about a question. Here is example. Do you speak English? Do you speak English, then question mark. So next sentence. When, if you want to adding question word, so add before. Do, does word. Then your sentence will be start question word. When does when does he do his homework? When does he do his homework? Homework, then question mark. So I hope you will all understand by this chapter tense, the present tense, simple present tense, structure of affirmative, negative, and interrogative. So thank you.